How to make chocolate macarons. So to make the filling, melt the chocolate and cream together and set it aside. Then mix together your almond meal, icing sugar, and cocoa powder and stir until thoroughly incorporated. Then you may move on to your eggs. You'll only need the egg whites for this dish, so save the yolks for another meal. Make sure not to drop your shells in your whites like me. Using an automatic whisker, whisk together the egg whites and sugar until stiff pigs form. Make sure they look like this. Then, in 3 consecutive batches, fold your dry ingredients into your wet ones. This will take some experience to master because you need a very specific consistency. You need to be able to make an 8 after mixing them, otherwise you're doing it wrong. Fill your piping bag with your filling, pipe little circles onto a baking sheet, set aside for 20 minutes, then bake for 14 minutes at 140 degrees Celsius until they look like this. Then fill your piping bag with your filling, pipe in between the shells, and you should achieve results like this. As an alternative, you could use the following method. Here, I will show you how to make flavored macarons. This recipe makes it simple to prepare these cookies, which have a reputation for being difficult to make. In a mixing dish, combine the almonds and powdered sugar, making sure there are no lumps. Separate the egg whites and gradually add the sugar, whipping constantly until stiff pigs form. Add in the coloring and flavoring. Fill the eggs whites into the dry ingredients until you achieve this ribbon effect. Bake the rounds in the oven before filling them with buttercream and sandwiching them together. Like and subscribe for more flavored content.